If you're just getting started learning about Assemble's asset management functionalities, this quick video is going to show you the 4 steps to help you upload and share an asset for feedback. So first of all, in your project, go ahead and come over here to the sidebar and select the phase that you want to upload an asset into. Phases are simply top-level folders, and this is where you're going to organize all of your files and assets throughout the project. To do that, come up here to the top right, click Add, and select Asset. In this screen, you can drag and drop an asset in or choose a file from your computer. I'm going to go ahead and upload this video file right here. So once that upload's complete, just go ahead and click Save. The video will take a moment to process, and then we'll be able to view the asset. You can go ahead and click play or just hit spacebar to begin watching that asset. Now to leave feedback, we can come up here and click directly into the comment bar to leave time-coded feedback, or you can simply hover the screen and you'll see these crosshairs appear, and we can go ahead and click anywhere on that screen to leave a markup directly on that asset. So let's go ahead and leave a comment here and then hit publish when you're done. And that's going to go ahead and publish that comment. So you can go ahead and continue marking up this video as much as you want. Works the exact same way for photos or PDFs or any other sort of asset that you upload, but just a very efficient way to leave feedback using both timecode and markups. Additionally, once you've left your feedback on this asset, you may want to update the status to let everyone know where it stands. Just come up here and click Set Status, and you can choose from a number of different options, such as changes requested, awaiting feedback, or approved. Next, let's say we want to share this asset with somebody outside of our organization to gather their feedback without them needing to log into Assemble. We'll typically come up here, click Share, and choose Share Review Link. This is going to enable us to create a publicly viewable review link where we can get feedback from people outside of our organization. You've got a number of options. You can track views if you want to make sure people have seen it, add password protection, and a number of different other things. But just go ahead and click Create Link, and let's create that review link. From this next screen, simply enter the email addresses of the people you want to send this review link to, and they'll receive an email with a link to the asset. You can also just copy and paste the link here. And let's go ahead and do that so we can see what those external users are going to see when they click that link. I'm going to jump to an incognito window so that we can see a view from the external user. I'm just going to go ahead and paste that link in and hit enter. So if I'm an external user, I click that link in the email. As you see, the asset just opens up. I'm able to come in here. I can watch the asset play back. I can leave feedback directly on the asset, just like we did before. All it needs to know is my name. And otherwise, generally collaborate on this asset without needing to sign up or create an Assemble account. Lastly, let's go ahead and jump back into the logged in view of Assemble and see some other ways that we can add files directly into Assemble. Maybe perhaps you don't have the asset ready to upload, but instead it's hosted on another website or app. What you can do is just simply click Add, and this time choose Bookmark. And you can go ahead and paste a link from any website or app. In this case, I've got a Google Drive link, so I'm going to go ahead and drop that in here. Let's say this is the raw assets, perhaps. And I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And we can now see if we exit from here that this was added into the workspace as a bookmark. And I can simply come up here, click this button, and open that directly from Assemble at any time, just enabling you to further centralize all of your assets and files in one central place.